In the dynamic world of gaming and visual excellence, one crucial element reigns supreme: the best graphic cards. From immersive gaming to cutting-edge design, these cards promise a revolution, setting new standards in performance, rendering, and innovation. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090. Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4090 stands as the pinnacle choice for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled graphics performance. Its superiority is evident, boasting a substantial 35% lead over the RTX 4080 and a significant 51% advantage over AMD's top RX 7900 XTX. To truly maximize its potential, a high refresh rate 4K monitor is essential. Not just for gaming, the RTX 4090 excels in professional applications like Blender and Octane, outpacing its competitors by up to 45%. While AMD's RDNA 3 offers value, the RTX 4090 remains the reigning champion for sheer power, albeit requiring compatible upgrades for optimal performance. Keep in mind Nvidia's driver restrictions for specific applications. Asus TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Ti OC Edition. Asus TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Ti OC Edition offers impressive performance without breaking the bank, especially in today's costly GPU market. Despite its lower price tag compared to higher-tier RTX 4000 series models, this card excels in handling PC games with ray tracing. It achieves high frame rates at elevated resolutions and often outperforms the pricier AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX, triumphing notably in games like Cyberpunk 2077. While it's still a significant investment, the RTX 4070 Ti delivers substantial power for its price, making it a compelling choice for gamers seeking strong performance without the premium cost. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 strikes a balance between power and affordability. Despite its compact size, it supports ray tracing and DLSS 2.0, providing high-end GPU performance without the hefty price tag. Its 12 GB of VRAM make it ideal for content creators, ensuring smooth operation during heavy tasks. The dual-fan thermal design keeps it cool and quiet, making it a valuable addition for gamers and content creators seeking excellent performance without breaking the bank. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. AMD's Radeon RX 7900 XTX shines with its stream processors and 24 GB of GDDR6 memory. Its Fidelity FX super resolution technology boosts frame rates without compromising image quality, perfect for 4K gaming. The innovative Infinity Cache technology optimizes data transfer, offering exceptional gaming even on demanding titles. Its premium cooler ensures efficient heat dissipation, guaranteeing top-notch performance. With its sleek design and outstanding value, this card is a testament to AMD's commitment to delivering a superior gaming experience. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 is a game-changer, offering 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock speed of up to 2470.25 MHz. It excels in 4K gaming, maintaining a smooth 60 frames per second even on ultra settings. The real magic lies in Nvidia's ray tracing and DLSS capabilities. Ray-traced lighting and reflections enhance your gaming experience, making it more lifelike and dynamic. DLSS uses AI to boost frame rates and generate sharp images, allowing you to crank up settings without sacrificing performance. The RTX 4070 also features efficient cooling, ensuring consistent performance under heavy loads. With its impressive specs, ray tracing, DLSS, and efficient thermal management, this card caters to both gamers and professionals. AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. It stands tall as the premier choice for 1440p gaming enthusiasts. Its unmatched 144p performance leaves its GeForce RTX 4070 counterpart in the dust, even at a lower cost. Boasting a substantial 16 GB memory and an optimized memory bus, it ensures seamless gaming experiences at 1440p resolution. Unlike Nvidia's RTX 4060 Ti series, AMD's offering excels in both memory configuration and gaming prowess, making it the ideal choice for long-term 1440p gaming. Enhanced further by AMD's Smart Access memory feature, it integrates seamlessly with AMD Ryzen processors, pushing its performance boundaries. While Nvidia may offer superior ray tracing and additional features, the AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT reigns supreme in raw gaming power for 1440p, making it a top contender in the graphics card arena. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4090. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4090 emerges as the ultimate choice for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled graphics performance. Boasting 16,384 CUDA cores and a substantial 24 GB GDDR6X memory, this powerhouse ensures seamless gaming and professional-grade tasks. Its Tri-Frozer 3 cooling system guarantees efficient heat dissipation, maintaining quiet operation during intense usage. MSI's meticulous design is showcased through its sleek aesthetics, enhanced further by customizable RGB lighting. This graphics card offers more than just raw GPU power. It presents a comprehensive solution, perfect for professionals and gamers striving for top-tier performance. That's all for this video.